waiting for? His little tiny tail. He does tiny little tail wags. Good morning. I just jumped out the shower, obviously. It's nearly school time. Welcome back to Vlogmas Eve. Hold on, it's time for it to reappear. Did I even say good morning this morning? I can't remember. It's felt like the longest day. I finished a few videos and look at my eyes. Let me tell you what, there's concealer on these eyes and they still look so red. Let me tell you what I think I'd done to my eyes. For the past couple of days, I've been like, what is going on? Really sore and red. I think I first noticed it on Saturday. Today's Tuesday. Yesterday, I was putting my Rapid Brow on my brows and I thought, oh, I'm going to put it on my lashes and see if it does anything. And then I thought, oh, I think I did that the other day. And maybe that is what has given me these weird red eyes. It's not the same thing as Rapid Lash. I'm fairly certain that's what it is. I think I put Rapid Brow on my eyelashes thinking I'll use just like what's like remains of whatever is on the brush. Like I'll put a little bit on, see if it grows my eyelashes as well. And that was stupid. And so now my eyes are pretty sore. And the video that I filmed a moment ago, it looks like I haven't slept in 13 years because I've got super, super red eyes. Oh, I'm just super tired. Right, so I'm going to put something on. Lee has gone to get the kids, which is a very nice bonus, very nice benefit of him being home this week, working. He's gone to get the kids. So I finished a couple of videos. I still need to film one for tomorrow. I've made the mistake of filming them in a weird order, so I can't decide to put something off, but this will probably serve me. I have a pile of clothes down here that I've just tried on for a video, and I'm going to go through some stuff now, throw some stuff in a case, and start actually packing my travel makeup, because then I'm going to film my travel makeup bag. I had a brainwave. I shall do a live tomorrow, and that means that I'm done. I just need to edit, but no more filming. Which means I can take the small amount of concealer I actually have on these eyes off because they are not happy today. I have done some packing. I was charging this, I wasn't playing with it, promise. I have done some packing. That's going to be my carry-on. This is dusty because it's been on top of the wardrobe, but this I bought from Amazon quite a while ago. It's actually supposed to be a camera case. So it's got all these different compartments and everything's really padded, and there's backspace there that I can put my laptop in. It's a really, really good carry-on and I should use it more than I do. Oh, I've just noticed it's got a secret little pocket in the back there too. I wonder if there's anything in there. No, that was disappointing. Then I think this is the bag I'm going to take because it feels festive. This is like electronics and things that I'm going to keep with me. Chargers, stuff like that. Some stuff that I haven't found a place for yet. I've actually already got my liquids bag and stuff in there. And I've already actually started packing. So I'm washing some stuff right now. This is everything I've got clothing wise. I've got a couple more bits that need to be dried, and then that's my makeup, skincare, teeth cleaning, etc. There's some shampoo and conditioner in that pink one. Usually I have a medium case and a carry-on, and this time a carry-on plus I'll have a bag of some kind like that because Lee doesn't tend to have a carry-on, so I get to have his. But I think this time I'm going to just do it in a medium case. It's less than a week that we're going for. I don't need to take like changes very much in terms of like shoes and things like that, because usually if we're going to go out and do things I'll take like some nice shoes or a change of bag. I'm not going to take those things. Coat wise, I'm going to be much more boring this trip, but it does mean that I can pack considerably lighter. So my friend Joanne dropped off yesterday. We were all supposed to go wreath making. The girls from work went wreath making, and I decided my cut-off was this weekend for doing stuff and not kind of slightly isolating pre-holiday, which I realise is probably completely pointless because the kids are going to school, but whatever. Made me feel better. So it was very kind of her because it was quite last minute that I was like, I'm not going to go. I'm not going to go. It's freaking me out. And she delivered all of the stuff to make the wreath. And I've been thinking all day, I'm going to do that tonight. And it's come to tonight and I'm not going to do that. We're getting back on track with this Christmas movie watching. Me and Milo. That's not Milo. Me and Manny. We're going to watch The Princess Switched again. I watched the first one. It was terrible. And now there's a third. So I got to catch up. I actually think that Princess Switched 2 was better than 1. Manny's down here because Lee's gone out in the garage and Manny's like, why? Got to get a washing basket. Oh, when I won't go off when I do my washing earlier, so just carry this wet washing up in my arms. I don't have much stuff left to wash and dry for holiday. I've got my, someone asked me the other day, these are the leather leggings. Someone asked me how I wash them, just normally. I tend to do them inside out, but I don't think it's necessary. I've washed them quite literally for years, not a problem. So for those of you wondering, they are the leather leggings from New Look. You can get them from ASOS sometimes because it depends on who has the best stock. Always size down. They're the ones with the zip that look like they've got a piping in the front. So comfortable, and they've got like a furry, I'll try and find the link. Got a fleece lining. They're so cozy, perfect for this time of year. And must remember to pack my fleece lined tights when we go to New York and it's super cold. Manny, I was just sitting there. When we go and it's super cold, I use those instead of thermals. But what I was gonna say before Manny rudely took my space was when I wear those fleece lined leather leggings, I don't feel like anything else underneath them because they're super warm. Right, that's going to be it for today. Lee and I are rewatching Selling Sunset from the beginning so that we can, my phone very rudely just shut down while I was talking to you. We're watching Selling Sunset from the beginning. I have to prepare for the new season. Very excited. Great timing because it means that we can like fully throw ourselves into that in the last few days of pre-travel testing stress. So very excited about that. Much looking forward to that. We'll probably have to do a live at the weekend where we all break it down and discuss. But that's going to be it for me and Manny today. We'll see you tomorrow. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hanging by the